If you're stuck between using Shopify or Etsy and your main question is which one you actually makes you more money, here's what you need to know. Etsy is easy to start with. You don't need a website. The marketplace already gets millions of visitors and you can list a product in minutes. That means quick exposure, especially if your product fits what Etsy shoppers are already looking for. Things like handmade goods, vintage, or personalized items. But with that exposure comes high competition and a lot of fees. Etsy charges you to list items, takes a cut off every sale, and even adds extra costs through advertising and payment processing. You also don't get access to your customers' data, which means less control in the long run. Now, Shopify works differently. You build your own website, create your own brand, and run everything yourself. It might seem harder up front because you have to drive your own traffic, but here's the key: you keep more profit per sale and you own your customer base. You can email them, retarget them, and build loyalty over time. Something Etsy doesn't let you do. Shopify also scales better. You're not locked into a marketplace algorithm or at risk of getting your shop shut down out of nowhere, which means on Etsy more often than people think. So if you're just testing the waters or want to sell it casually, Etsy is a good way to get started. But if you're serious about building a business and want long-term income potential, Shopify gives you way more control and in most cases more profit. If you're planning to launch on either platform, hit like and follow for more step-by-step guides on setting up your store, optimizing listings, and making your first few sales. Let me know in the comments which one you're thinking of using, and I'll tailor the next video for that.